You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word, this one, originally from French. Former deputy in the National Assembly of France, Condorcet is how it's said in French, Condorcet. This is why in English, in French there's no stress on any particular syllable, so in English it's either said as Condorcet, Condorcet, or Condorcet, or sometimes even Condorcet. So you can pick whichever syllable you want to stress on, because in French, Condorcet. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.